Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. So hope you guys are doing fine. I'm great. It's holidays. Hope you guys are enjoying your summer. I'm on vacation. Came to my younger brother's place in another city in Sweden, Jönköping. So I've been here for about 2 weeks. I'm enjoying the whole environment. It's cozy, the weather is nice, everything is going on perfectly well. So yeah, so I decided this morning to do a loose twist out. I had loose twist, so I decided to do twist out. Does it make sense? So yeah, so you see the beginning, how the twist was. My hair was looking dry and not appetizing at all, and now it's looking all fresh and twist out, and if you get what I mean, juicy. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing how I got this look, then stay tuned. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos here in my channel. Natural hair isn't boring at all. I make you to fall in love with your natural hair, giving you tips and tricks on how to care for your natural hair, ranging from DIY hair treatments, simple, protective, gorgeous hairstyles, and you're covered in my channel. So why don't you subscribe if you find my videos interesting, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Let's get into the tutorial.